first thing to do is we're gonna add the spices, the garlic, the olive, which is optional, the chili. The more chili, the more spicy, and floral leaves. Next is the carrots. Next to it is we're gonna add the fish. Head should be removed and cleaned. You also need to remove the intestine of the fish. Let's add the lemon. I don't have a strainer, so I just squeeze it using my hand. Salt and pepper. You can also put a whole black pepper, but I prefer using the ground black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of vinegar. And a half cup of water. Next is put the oil, 3 cups or 1 lapad.
What?
More pepper because I love pepper. Cover the pressure cooker and turn on the heat. High heat, and then when it will start boiling, reduce to medium heat. Let's wait for 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, turn off the fire and wait for the pressure cooker to cool down. Don't open it while it's still hot. So here's the finished product.